school in a city. In that school, a 6-year-old girl named Chinky was studying in first standard. One day, teacher called Chinky to come near her. Chinky, please come here. Students, Chinky always comes first in the class and she performs very well in sports and other activities too. So I'm appointing Chinky as a class monitor.
But teacher, I have never become a class monitor before, so I don't know how to be a monitor.
That's alright, I will teach you.
Okay, teacher.
In this way, Chinky became a class monitor. Now, she started sitting on the bench that was in front of the teacher. If the teacher had any work, she would tell Chinky to do it. In this way, everything was going well. Chinky was very happy to be a class monitor. Then one day, teacher said to Chinky, Chinky, I'm going to the principal's office due to some work. You keep an eye on the class and make sure that no student is making noise.
Okay, teacher.
Saying this, teacher left the class. But all the students started making noise as soon as the teacher left the class. And then all the students gathered together and started talking loudly.
Do you know, yesterday I saw a very nice cartoon story on the Puntun Kids channel on YouTube.
Oh yes, I watch Puntun Kids cartoon daily. When Chinky saw that everyone is talking loudly, she said,
Don't talk so loudly. Please, everyone, sit in your place.
But nobody listened to her and they kept making noises. Just then, the teacher returned to the class. What is going on here? Seeing the teacher, all the students got scared and quickly sat in their place. Chinky, I told you to keep an eye on the class, didn't I?
Sorry, teacher.
This happened many times. One day, the teacher had to leave the class once again. So, she called Chinky and said, Chinky, I'm going to the library for some work. You keep watch on the students.
But teacher, no one listens to me.
Chinky, if any students makes loud noise, then don't say anything to him or her. Just write their names on the blackboard. When I will return, I will punish them myself.
Okay, teacher.
After talking to Chinky, the teacher left the class. As soon as the teacher left, the students started making loud noises as always. But this time, Chinky didn't say a word to students and she started writing names of the students on the blackboard one by one. After some time, teacher returned to the class. She saw that there were names of some students written on the blackboard. All the students whose names are written on the blackboard will stand up and raise their hands. This happened many times. Now, students stopped making noise as they were scared of the punishment that the teacher gave.